Do you struggle with headaches or migraine pain? Do you have chronic neck or back pain? Are you having ongoing joint aches and pains, muscle pains that don't recover? Well, you may be suffering with a hormone balance issue. Hi, I'm Dr. Cole Hosenfeld with Apple Healthcare Group, and you may be wondering, why is a chiropractor talking about hormone balance issues? Well, in my 20 years of practice treating anything from jaw to foot and back, neck pain, chronic headache, and migraines, what we find is it's quite effective for helping those ailments. But we also have issues with people where they're struggling to improve. We know that manual care, such as therapy and chiropractic and orthopedic care, is quite helpful and people get better with that. But we also find those people that are struggling with it. They're not getting better. And what we found and what science is teaching us is that sometimes we really need to get checked and regulated for our hormones. And that's why the medical specialists within our clinic work really hand in hand with us to identify through proper testing what's going on, what's off, what's regulating, what's not regulating properly. And here's what happens. Are people, they have weight gain, they're not sleeping well. We're finding that they're not recovering properly. So then they go down this rabbit hole where they're getting tons of injections, they're on quite a bit of pharmaceuticals, but they're still not getting better, they're not optimizing. What we found is by really looking at the mechanical aspect, as well as looking at the metabolic aspect through hormones and checking things like testosterone and estrogen and progesterone, we find when we can get those regulated in the proper way, all of a sudden people start coming in and they're saying, you know, doc, my back pain's getting better. I'm able to exercise more. I feel like I'm getting a full night's rest and I want to get out with my family and I'm less grumpy. And that's men and women. So if you find that you're struggling with ongoing back pain that's just not getting better, and you've done quite a bit of things, I would ask that you call Apple Healthcare Group and get an appointment with one of our specialists so they can really take a comprehensive look at your case and say, what's the cause? What's the most simplified way to treat you in the most efficient fashion?